Chicago's very own WGN Evening News at 6.
A family is mourning the death of their grandfather, who died in a nursing home in south suburban Crete.
They say he should have been better protected. WGN's Patrick Elwood is live in Crete with that story. Patrick.
Micah and Joe, good evening to you. He was just shy of turning 100 years old, and his family says today their accusations are such that he would have turned 100 if it were not for the lack of protection coming from this nursing home where he stayed. He was 99 years old, 3 months shy of 100. He died May 5th from COVID-related issues, says his family. Granddaughter Pamela Bosley.
And his goal was to reach the age of 100. And I believe in my heart, if my granddad had the proper trained staff that worked in this facility, he would have beat COVID-19 because my granddad was strong.
According to the State Department of Public Health, St. James Manor and Villa in Crete has had 44 residents test positive for COVID-19. 9 people have died. Pam Bosley and her sister believe that someone from the outside, meaning staff or a third-party contractor, must have brought the virus in. But they say they can't get any information. They also say the last that they heard from an administrator was that only one person had COVID-19 and that their grandfather was okay. That was in late April.
We have a number of residents who are COVID positive.
Ron Nunziato is the CEO of Extended Care Consulting, a company that works for St. James Manor.
We don't know that that's true. We don't know if someone came in with it, if someone got it here, or if someone, got it somewhere else. There's no way to tell that someone contracted the disease from us.
But family members of Montgomery's disagree.
Stop hiding the problem.
The last they were told, says Janita Montgomery Smith in late April, is that only one person had COVID and that the situation was under control by way of isolation and quarantine.
And that person had been isolated. Later on, I found out there were more than 20 residents and 6 deaths.
Those numbers had increased since that time, and the family wants the governor to appoint a task force to look into what happened here, as well as the problems happening at nursing homes across the state. We're live in Crete, Patrick Elwood, WGN News. Back to you guys in the studio.